Import numpy as np. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. X equals np linspace 0 to 10 500. Y equals np sine x times x exponentially. Fig ax equals plt.subplots. Fig size 12 to 6. Ax plot xy color dark violet. Line width is 2.5. Label damped sine. Ax set face color #5 f8 fvc. Color light gray. Alpha 0.5. Ax set title damped sine wave. Font size 16. Font weight bold. Color 6C3483. Ax set x-axis. Y-ax set prefix. Font size 12. Ax set Y label amplitude. Font size 12. Ax legend. Pli tight layout please show. Getting key characteristics. The sine wave oscillates above and below the x-axis, but the amplitude gradually decreases as x increases due to the exponential decay factor e minus 0.1 xex. This behavior models real-world phenomena such as a spring mass system losing energy over time, or an electrical signal fading in a resistive circuit. Design elements. The curve is drawn in dark violet for a bold visual impact. The background of the plot area is soft lavender, F8F0FC, enhancing contrast with the curve. The grid is light gray and dashed, aiding in readability without distraction. Labels and title use custom colors and font sizes to create a clear and aesthetically pleasing visualization. A legend in the top corner identifies the curve as damped sine.